Mm, So our topic is electrostatic force. What is electrostatic force? We'll have a look at that. What is electrostatic force? Okay. So what is electrostatic force? We'll have a look. Like see, if I break these two terms, so electro, as we know that electro means charge. Okay, and static means stationary or rest. What? Rest. This is what the electrostatic means. So electrostatic force, what is mean by the electrostatic force? What does mean by this force means? Let me highlight it a little bit. I hope that is visible. Yeah. So what is electrostatic force? Electrostatic force is a force that held between, means between positive and negative charge. Okay, the force that occurs between positive and negative charge is known as electrostatic force. Okay, so if I would give you the example over here, let me give. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, consider this body. It is a positive body, and it is a neutral body, and this is also a neutral body. Okay, so like you can see, neutral means having same charges. Okay, so this body will attract to this. For example, if we rub a balloon over the head of any human or any boy, so here at this place the negative charges will be converted, like will be into the balloon. Why? Because of the attraction and repulsion. Because of the attractive force and repulsive force, the force that is occurring between these two bodies is known as electrostatic force. So this body means this body, let me mark it, this body will contain the positive charge, and this body will contain the negative charge. How? Because initially, understand it, let me like repeat it. Okay, let me raise it first so that it could be more visible. Let's just cut it. Okay, let's just don't remember the charges between them. For example, this is the neutral body, and this is also a neutral body. So when you do this experiment, when you rub this balloon to the head of any of yourself, any person, so you will see that these two bodies have the neutral charges. What does the neutral charges means same number of proton, same number of proton same number of proton plus same number of electron. Okay, this is what the neutral body called. So as you can see, like when you rub the body, this body to this body, so the charges, negative charges will be going to this balloon. So this balloon will be converted into negative charge, means will have the more negative charge, and only when the negative charge will be going to the this body, so which charge will be remain. So here it's a common answer that positive charge will be remain in this body. So this is how these both bodies are being charged. So this, the force that occurs between them, means the repulsive force and the attractive force occurs between them, is known as electrostatic force. Which force? This is called electrostatic force. Okay, let me give you another example as well. So like here is another example. Let me do it. Wait. Okay, so as you can see that the balloon contain the negative charge, and these papers have the neutral charge. So when the balloon will be going near them, so attractive and the repulsive force between these two objects will be occurring, that will known as electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. So what will happen? These charges of this body will be going to this, and that this will convert into negative, and the paper will be converted into positive charge. So this is how the body is being charged. Okay, let me write it clearly. This body contain the neutral charge, and this body also contain the new. When this body will be going toward the papers, means balloon will going towards the paper. So as we know, both contain the neutral charge. So balloon will attract all the negative charge of this body, and it will convert it into negative charge, while all the negative charge of this body is being attracted to this body. So which charge will be remain? Of course positive charge will remain. So this is how the body is being charged, and the force that will occurring between these two repulsive and attractive charges, that is known as electrostatic force. Okay, so as you can see, like the body is being charged now. Sorry. Okay. Oh, wait a second. So now you can see the body is being charged with the negative and the positive. Okay, now let me give you another example as well. So now, for example, this human contain neutral charge, sorry, positive charge, and this metallic body contain the negative charge. We know that why? Because as we know that the metals have the free electrons. What metals have? Metals have the free electrons in their outermost shell, so they try to lose their electron. Okay, so while losing their electron, this body will be converted into positive, and this body will remain the neutral. Okay, this is what the electrostatic force is called. Means the force that hold the positive and the negative charge in the form of atom or molecule, means in the form of molecules. Oops, I'm so sorry for that disturbance. Um, Atom and molecule, that is known as electrostatic force. So like the question arises that how we can see the charges. So we know that there are many kind of electroscope. So the for specific to see the charge, we can use gold leaf electroscope. So by gold leaf electroscope, we can see the charges. Gold leaf electroscope. Okay, we know that electroscope enlarge the object.